Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we unboxing a Milwaukee vacuum, a portable one.
Yeah.
But we are ready to go to 4,000 hours and we're gonna be able to make the channel bigger. So it's a good idea for you guys to press the subscribe button, and if you want, share the video with your friends because that helps the channel. Let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go.
Zoe is ready again to open the box. This is the M18 VC2.
And I'm struggling with that. Oh God. There it is.
Right.
Moment of unboxing. Oh, we've already got things falling out. So here we have our instructions manual and info.
Information, yes. But we're gonna skip that. Let's go to the main thing. Nice packaging from Milwaukee.
Not very heavy.
Not very heavy and well packed.
Yeah.
You will see on this box that everything is packed inside. So let's open the top.
Easy.
It says don't use it as a hopper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds about right to me.
So look at this. Everything is tidy inside.
We have our...
So you have a lock to lock the vacuum. And I saw on the other side this. It looks like you can blow air to
Yes.
stuff if you put it on the other side. So let's see if Zoe is gonna... Yep, it's locked. Perfect. So this is the two things. You see, obviously there is a button up here. What else we have here? The handy, if you want to clean tiles and stuff like that.
Yeah, you just...
And we have more stuff. Look at this. You can remove dust, or as you're cutting with your drill, the wall, you can put this and it's going to collect all the dust. And I believe it's a good idea to take away all the stuff it has. This is where the battery goes. We have already the M18 battery with us, 5 amp. I don't want to put it in. I want to show the battery, Zoe. So if you have one of those, obviously you have a lot. This is the battery. The reason I said to Zoe not to do something is because most likely the HEPA filter is with a nylon bag around it. Inside.
Yeah, I just wanted to show them how to...
Yeah, you will show them in a few seconds. If you want to remove the pipe.
I'll put it for now. That's a bit harder.
I think you have to undo the back too, and you lift like this. So the HEPA filter is already installed. I thought they're gonna just have a bag on this, but let's be sure that it doesn't have a bag. Just unlock it. No, there is no bag. And as you see here, this ball is from when you use this vacuum for water to stop the motor if it fills up in a lot of water, to stop. I believe it's... And there it is. It says, as you see on top, when you use it to to take water out, don't leave this filter on because it's paper. Alright, so we can put it together again, and it's gonna be the time where Zoe, she's gonna install the battery inside.
I'm getting everything else ready first.
So Zoe's gonna install the hose to the intake, and the moment of truth, Zoe is gonna install the battery. Yep, and the most amazing thing of all, you can close the case
and this little bit is actually if you've got a saw,
a bank saw or a saw,
yeah,
or tools that they have a outtake for the wood.
Yeah, for the dust
yes.
And things. You just screw that off and just screw that on, and
you attach.
You can attach it to the.
But let's see. I want to see how loud is this. So it's a 85 decibel noise, but keep in mind that it's a 320 watt motor inside this, so you expect for this device to work very, very efficient. It says 1,300 liters per minute.
That is quite a lot, obviously.
Okay, so let's test the device.
Yeah.
All right, let's test it.
Extra.
I have a nice breeze. So let's see the other mode that this vacuum has.
Yeah.
Which you can move some air.
Come on, out.
Obviously, you're gonna remove the thing. Yep.
Yeah, it's definitely very strong. It's lifting the carpet up.
All right. So you say you're using this device and you want to clean the HEPA filter because it's clogged with dust. So dust, whatever dust you want. If you remember, we show you that the vacuum can blow air. Okay? So if we remove the filter.
There's not. There it is.
Assemble the vacuum again. And put it on the air. Then you can clean your filter without the need of a
air compressor.
And of course, if you fill this container with water, obviously you just
tip it out.
Tip it on the side and that's all right. And you see, it was never used. You already see dust inside here.
Yes.
Of course, if you want to use the battery and you wonder where is the last battery you have charged, you can always remove the battery from inside.
Yeah.
And put it on your normal tools.
Yeah, and you can always, if you like to have a battery with you, or you don't want to have it connected, you can always store it in there.
And this is how tidy you can make it. You see, you can put all the brackets.
All the bits and bobs, yes, everything has its little place.
And you let the hose there, and everything is tidy and ready to go.
Yeah, you just...
And you close the box.
And you go.
And you go. It's quite on a heavy side, but not so heavy.
No, it's not that heavy actually. It's just, I think it's more chunky than heavy.
So you're looking at 4.6 kilos. You're looking at 4.6 kilos.
Yeah, it's not very heavy. I think it's just more like, it looks real big, but it's easy to carry. It's got all its bits in.
You have 7.5 liters of capacity. And don't forget to remove the HEPA filter before
with the wet.
And it has a certified HEPA filter, you see here. Very handy.
Yeah, it is.
And very powerful, I believe.
Yeah.
Just wear your ear defenders when you use it, if you want. Safety first, your ears. So, this is the Milwaukee VC2, the vacuum, wet and dry. 7.5 liters capacity. All these adapters, you have the ability to blow air with it too.
Yeah.
Quite loud, but not so loud. Keep in mind, you are working on your
if you're working
man cave, or you are working on a customer. So when you use it, go fast. It's very strong anyway. So you have a 320 watt motor. Zoe, I believe, she really liked that that thing managed to lift the carpet up.
Yeah, it is quite strong. I just was thinking of like, how can I say how strong it is, and it just like that just came in my mind.
So
we like that product.
Yeah,
it's strong. It's easy to use. It's all got all its bits all together. You don't need to have a separate bag or anything. You just like have them all in one box, basically. Easy to carry, not that heavy.
Don't use it as a stand.
No, don't use it as don't stand on it, don't sit on it. It's not strong enough to hold that much weight.
The best part of all, you already have a Milwaukee battery on the side. You don't need to buy the more expensive model that has a battery included. You can get this one. I thought it was smaller. I'm gonna tell you guys, it is quite big. But if you have the 500 quid to buy the biggest model, I think it's gonna make a big job. The main difference on that one is because it has a huge capacity and you can do stuff. But I believe for a man that works by himself with a van,
that is a perfect size.
The perfect size and a perfect combination, because you have all the joints. You can put your drill, you can take all the dust, you can put your bank saw, you connect the hose, you collect all the dust. If you made a mess and you just use the blower and cleans everything. So if you like videos like that, tell us in the comments. Share this video because it's helping a lot the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. because we are very close to 4,000 hours. I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe. Whoa.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.